Have you ever wondered how much energy it takes every time you ask an AI a question? Training a large AI model isn't like charging your phone. It's more like running thousands of high-performance computers non-stop for weeks, sometimes months, using massive amounts of electricity and water to keep everything cool. For example, when OpenAI trained GPT-4, analysts estimated it required several thousand GPUs running continuously, enough energy to power over 10,000 homes for a month. Google recently revealed that its data centers consumed 20% more electricity in 2023, mostly due to AI demand, and that's just one company. Every time you use AI, whether to write an email, generate an image, or create a video, energy is consumed again. One ChatGPT response uses roughly 0.34 watt-hours of electricity. It sounds small until you multiply it by billions of daily queries. The result? The energy footprint of AI tools now rivals that of entire countries like Denmark or the Netherlands. And it's not only electricity. Cooling those massive server farms requires huge amounts of water. Microsoft's data centers, for example, used over 1.7 billion liters of water in 2022, enough to fill 680 Olympic-sized swimming pools. Much of that increase came directly from AI model training and testing. Even AI hardware itself leaves a footprint. Producing GPUs and chips demands mining rare materials like lithium and cobalt. Each upgrade cycle creates tons of electronic waste as outdated chips are discarded. So while AI feels digital and clean, its physical impact is very real. It's a paradox. The smarter AI becomes, the more energy it tends to use. That's why experts are calling for a shift toward green AI, models that are smaller, more efficient, and powered by renewable energy sources. So what can we, as everyday users, actually do? Using AI responsibly doesn't mean avoiding it. It means being mindful of how we use it. For example, if you're generating 10 versions of an image, pick your best prompt and refine it instead of spamming multiple outputs. When summarizing a document, reuse the same chat thread instead of starting from scratch. Every new session reloads a model and consumes more power. Businesses can train smaller purpose-built models for their own needs instead of relying on giant, general-purpose ones. Developers can choose cloud providers that commit to renewable energy and transparent reporting. And we, the users, can support platforms that prioritize efficiency, carbon neutrality, and sustainability in AI development. The goal isn't to slow down innovation, it's to make sure innovation doesn't come at the cost of the planet. Because AI's potential is incredible, but its footprint is real. And the future won't belong to the most powerful AI, it'll belong to the most responsible one.